Hello everyone. In this exercise, part C, we will understand how to apply the weld bead using the smart weld selection tool. In part C, in part A and B, we have understood the weld bead by using the weld geometry and the weld path. In this part, we will understand about smart weld selection. This is the same model which I have explained in the part A and the B. So we go in the weldment. There is a weld bead, weld geometry and weld path. We have already understood in the part A and B. Now this is the smart weld selection tool. If you hover cursor on this, you will see smart weld selection tool. Click on it. A pencil icon comes on the screen. In this option, we will not select the faces of the part to be joined, to be welded, or we will not select the edge of the faces. Will not select. We will click on one face and press left mouse button and drag it on the other face. The weld is formed. This same. I press the left mouse button on one face and drag the mouse, holding the press button, left mouse button, and drag on the other face, and the second weld comes here. In this way, this is the weld. Weld comes here, and this is the weld profile dimension. Suppose I select define weld symbol. Here we can select the weld symbol. This is the weld dimension. I can suppose increase 4 mm. And these are the three contours: flat, convex, and concave. I am selecting flat, and this way the weld comes here. To show the weld bead, I click on this one. To show the weld bead, we will have to go in the view, hide and show. For symbols, already I have clicked the all annotation, and the bottom we go in the weld bead. Or from here, this is already. This weld symbol comes in. And to show the cosmetic weld and annotation, we will have to go in the view, hide and show, and all annotation, and weld bead. Or we can go in this view adapt tool. There is a view weld bed to show this thing. I take another example. Information of this weld comes in the weld folder. This weld folder. This is a 4 mm weld, and I further click it. You can edit here from here, edit the weld, and also delete you from here. So I take another example, weld bead. I selecting the smart weld selection tool. This, if I hover my cursor on here, so you will see smart weld selection tool. I click, a pencil icon comes on the screen. So I press left mouse button on one face and just holding the left mouse button and drag the mouse. You will see the weld comes. And now the other option comes here, as in the part B, A and B. Both sides, then both side will come. As you will see, there is a both side the welding come. and the from, same thing, starting point and ending point. Suppose starting points keep the 2 mm. Here, the starting point shift at a distance of 2 mm and the welding length consequently reduces to 43 mm. Suppose start point I keep 4 mm. This starting point shift at a distance of 4 mm and consequently the welding length reduces 41 mm. So in this way, we can change the dimension of the weld length. We can also change the direction, location of the point. Suppose I press this again. Then now the starting becomes on the other side exists. And now the starting point shift from the another side. If I again click, the starting point again comes on this side. In this way, starting point position can be changed by clicking this. And define weld symbol. Here, weld symbol. I click here, flag, and I take it 6. Suppose I take 6. This one. Now this is the another weld. If in the all the information come this folder. I click here. These are 2 welds we have created. First is this one, and second is this one. Suppose yes, this is the second weld. Suppose I want to edit this weld, so right click on this, edit feature. I edit feature. Again I can change the distance. Suppose starting point distance I keep the 6 mm. Starting point position changes and weld length consequently reduces 39 mm. In this way, we can change the edit this thing. If you want you want to delete the weld bed, right click and delete from here. In this way, we can. I take another example, weld bead. I click on this smart weld selection tool. Okay, and I press left mouse button on the face on the gusset side and holding the left mouse button and drag on the other face. This one comes. So if I take all around, suppose I take all around this option, you will see the welding bead comes on the entire periphery of this bottom side. This is the all around. Suppose I select tangent propagation, same thing. Tangent propagation and all around, same thing. In this way, we can change this. We can change the define weld symbol, and suppose I take it 6 mm. And okay. This symbol comes here. This symbol comes here. To show the welding symbol, you will have to go in the view, hide and show, and you will have to click all annotation. And to show the cosmetic weld, we will have to press this weld bead. This way we can form the bead. Now one more example. I take weld bead, smart weld selection, and I press this face. I press this face and holding the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the other face. Okay? This welding comes here. If I take the now tangent propagation all around, this welding comes total around this face. Around this complete. Now I take the intermediate example. gap and weld length. Weld length is 5 mm, gap is 5 mm. So if I click and weld symbol is, suppose I take this and it's 4 mm or 6 mm. This is the flat weld. Okay. So in this way, this is the intermittent weld. This is the intermittent weld. Suppose if I want to edit this weld, how this is I have created 3 welds. 1, 2, and 3. So I will go in this one, right click, edit feature, and suppose I use this feature, pitch and weld length. Pitch and weld. Weld length is 5 mm, pitch is suppose 3 mm. I take the pitch is 3 mm. Or suppose I take it 4 mm or pitch is 2 mm. Suppose I take another weld. Smart weld selection tool. I take this. Click on this face, drag the thing, and comes. It use the intermittent weld. This is pitch and weld length. Weld length is 2 mm. Suppose I take the 2 mm. Pitch is 1.4 mm. Weld symbol. I take the weld symbol. This one. And you take 3 mm. Contour, flat, okay. This parameter does not accepting the Solidworks system. I close Weld Bead, selection tool, this one. Now I try intermittent weld, welding parameter. Suppose I take 2 mm and this pitch and length, define weld symbol, none, flat, this value I am taking 2 mm, okay, and the pitch and length 2.4 and 2.94, fine. Weld length is this one, this weld length, and the pitch is the distance from the center point of one weld to the center point of the another weld, or length of the one weld plus gap of the adjacent weld. That will the pitch. Basically, pitch is the distance from the center point to this thing. This is known as the pitch. This way. To show the welding symbols, you will have to go into view, hide and show, and you have to click all annotation. And to show the cost this weld, you have to click the weld bead. In this way you can show them. Or you want to edit it, you can edit. These are the welds. Right click, edit from here, or you want to delete it, you can delete it. In this way we can create the weld bead using the smart weld selection tool. So I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise in the Solidworks weldment. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you for watching. Thanks very much.